Welcome to part 2 on how to create link-worthy content. If you missed part 1, Advanced Methodologies, you can watch it right here, because right now, we're exploring some common tips and tricks. Let's dive in. First of all, identifying content opportunities. You must have read about it before, but there's a need to approach it a little differently when creating link-worthy content. Consider the ongoing discourse in your industry, how you can contribute to it and provide valuable insights. Determine if there are existing issues that need to be addressed or bottlenecks that demand solutions. Match the search intent with the content opportunity and create a superior piece to what is currently ranking on the SERPs. And the best thing about it, your competitors did have to work for you. To start off, you can use Ahrefs. Go to their Site Explorer option and type in the eminent website in your niche or industry. Then go to the Best by Links page and check out which pages have the most referring domains. Sift through the topics in front of you and figure out which popular topic you haven't covered yet. You can also use another tool of your choice like SEMrush or Screaming Frog. Here, we checked out the pages of Fat Joe in terms of referring domains. You can also use Quora to figure out the most popular questions related to different topics. And don't forget Google's People Also Ask section, because this will also give you a good idea about the relevant searches. And by doing this, you can pick the right topic and make the linkable content. Another way is to type in your keyword into Google, check out the top 10 results, and run the backlink analysis on them. Analyze the topics with the most backlinks, and see if you can make a better piece than the existing one. In case you want to do a topic that hasn't been largely covered by your competitors, or is just new in its entirety, you can actually do that too. But make sure you have enough information on it. Compile questions and brainstorm ideas on how to answer those questions, and give opinions backed by research. Next, focus on creating problem-solving content. Here's the thing. Your audience faces issues, problems, concerns on a daily basis. Most of them are actively looking for answers and solutions. And you can confirm that by looking at some keywords data, and you'll find that most of them to be question-based. So to create a truly outstanding, valuable piece of content, there's a categorical need to understand the audience's struggles, goals, and pain points. Address the existing concerns and instruct people on how they can fix the problems in how-to guides, tutorials, and similar problem-solving content. Give them all the answers they're looking for, just like our Knowledge Center does. It clarifies prevalent ambiguities by answering the most asked questions about SEO, link building, and content marketing. This helps our target audience in finding the correct information to resolve issues. Our queries and answers from the Knowledge Center have received around 66 backlinks from different referring domains, and that number keeps increasing. Then we have case studies. They play a massive role in earning high authority backlinks, social shares, and new leads all together. Your audience won't pay attention to your offerings unless you walk the walk and make them see the positive experiences of your existing customers. Have a look at the case study section from Wix and Shopify. All of them are pretty interesting. Looking at Shopify's case study on Gymshark, we found out that this fitness apparel brand switched from Magento to Shopify. They set new sales records. They became one of the fastest growing global fitness apparel brands. And you can too, by being on Shopify. Using Ahrefs, we found out the number of backlinks and referring domains, and the figures weren't bad. So just like clockwork, the more case studies you have on your product or service, the more trust it creates among your target audience. There's another way you can craft case studies, industry-specific ones. It requires studying plenty of data, performing a certain methodology, and drawing out new results. Just like this finance automation company did. Topalti published a case study on profit per employee of Fortune 500 companies. The study showcases some eye-opening stats of corporate behemoths, including Meta Platforms, Apple, eBay, and others. And of course, the study landed them a number of referring domains. So ensure that your case study focuses on customer journeys, positive transformations, or provides some unexplored insights. That's enough words on words. Let's talk visuals now. Infographics, charts, videos. Videos are always more engaging than simple text. They capture your attention much faster than other forms of content. In addition, they're largely shared and embedded on different socials and platforms with a link back to the original content. And most importantly, they elevate your content, convey information effectively, and they enhance engagement. Check out this piece of linkable content. 100 TV shows ranked by their final episode. At a glance, you can see the title of 100 different shows, their ratings, rankings, number of episodes, final episode title and air date, and that can all be seen easily, written in text. But there's also a dense amount of data displayed visually. The surrounding circle grows with the greater number of episodes. The color of the bar graph changes from yellow to red as its rating increases. A high final episode ranking is marked with a thin line in bright red, which grows duller and thicker as the ranking decreases. As the cliche goes, a picture's worth 1,000 words. And you can say a lot with the right visuals. Aside from making information interesting, they make explaining things easier. On our blog post, How to Leverage Social Media to Earn Quality Links, there are images that help the reader better understand what we're trying to communicate. Each section has a visual aid, so the reader's instantly on the same page. And some of these images contain drawn-on boxes or arrows to help highlight the specific thing we're talking about, which allows us to be more precise and economic with our words. So whenever you're trying to explain something, visuals can really help get to the point. Or if you're trying to inform someone about something that's difficult to imagine or literally impossible to see in the real world, like comparing the sizes of asteroids. You can explain in words till you're blue in the face and your fingers fall off. Or you can simply show them. That's out of this world. You can create an explainer video on your product, show your data in infographic form, make a presentation of some sort, all that jazz. This way, your content will manage to get backlinks on different platforms and socials conveniently. Link-worthy content is a powerful magnet. It attracts businesses and people like bees to flowers, like bears to honey, like David Attenborough to the majestic brown bears of Kodiak Island. It allows them to get to know you and explore what you have to offer, making them want to discover more. And this in turn facilitates more leads, conversions, traffic, and it also builds your authority. I mean, it's what we try to create. And sometimes we hrefs ourselves and see how our blogs and knowledge center queries are doing. And we notice that the content pieces with the most referring domains are also the ones bringing in considerable amounts of monthly traffic. Which is nice. We hope you enjoyed these videos on how to create link-worthy content. There was a lot to go through. And we hope we provided you that depth required to assist you as you traverse that infinite ocean called the internet. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let us know in the comments what you found the most interesting. And tell us which sections where you'd like us to dive deeper. Rolling camera. Let's do this thing. Aside from making for you. Just, I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. Here we checked out.
Here's Johnny.
Blah. Or bottlenecks. Around 66